What's up, people? Welcome back to Are You Listening to This? And today we are going to be listening to the new album, My New Band Believe, by the new band, My New Band Believe. This is their debut album, and of course, the band formed by former Black Midi band member Cameron Picton. Black Midi broke up like, what is it now, like a year and a half ago or something, like no, a bit longer, 2 years ago, I don't know, 2.5 years ago, I don't know. Well, Black Midi broke up. And of course their band members went their own way. Geordie Greep releasing his album The New Sound, which I really digged. I loved it a lot. I think Morgan Simpson is out there drumming still. I don't know if he's actually like preparing to drop solo music, but now we have and of course Matt passing away some time ago, rest in peace. But now we have a new album and a new band by Cameron Picton, former Black Midi member, and I'm very excited. I really like the Geordie Greep album. I like the Black Midi music. I'm not expecting Black Midi music because it's probably going to be totally different. I have listened to one of the singles and it got me very excited. So I think without further ado, we're just gonna go straight into it. So it's self-titled, My New Band Believe, and the first track's called Target Practice. Let's go.
I've got plans that I'll never share with you, and only when you're dying will I ever know. If you see me walking by, just know I haven't time. Don't you ever dare ask me why. You need not worry, no you need not fret, but I'll never let your family forget. When you see me walking by, just look into my eyes. I'm about to send you away. Don't cry.
Oh, I like his voice.
You deserve this.
Very
Don't cry.
authentic high voice.
You
Yeah.
deserve this. Don't cry.
Oh, beautiful.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
Oof.
My mother couldn't cry
Whoa.
when you took her brother's life. She sat and sweated out the pain. You will know the reason why by the story of our lives, and you're the one we blame. You took
Wow.
till there
Oh,
was nothing
Jesus.
left to take. Our dreams, our hopes, our names. If we see you on a spike with holes for your eyes, we'll just keep practicing our aim. Don't cry, you deserve this. Don't cry, you deserve this. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. I've got plans that I have to follow through, and only when you die will I ever know. If you see me in the sky and you break into a smile, don't cry, you deserve this.
Wow.
Don't cry, you deserve this. Don't cry, don't cry.
Oh my God. Yeah, we're no break.
You ever feel like somebody's watching you?
Getting very like Black Country New Road vibes. Very Geordie Greep as well. It's like very that windmill scene.
So high above
It had a very own sound.
I wish that you
Love that first track.
so you could see yourself.
I feel like I have to listen to the lyrics as well, but I'm not gonna catch everything.
I'll pack in a bag and leave it tonight. Wherever I go, you'll be under a watchful eye. Do you ever feel? I don't think you think I feel. A crack in the
That
walls,
low
a crack in
voice
the
now.
stars, you slip on the
Such a
stairs,
different
gash in your
tone.
neck, wound outside, meters of ice. About 3 people I think should. Do you ever wish?
Wow, those strings.
I'm packing birds, I'm sick of the trees, I'm so sick of listening to you. If only you see, if only you feel, if only you. Don't scream, don't cry. It's just one night.
Wow. Oof.
I wish you would kiss me before it's all too late. But if you're gonna kick me, babe, at least let me pick the place. I really know nothing, but now and again, now and again, now and again, I believe, I really believe it can share. Who can you turn to, who can you run to, who can you open up to, when there's nowhere to go, where nobody sees, not even daylight.
Wow. Just, I'll speak after. In the blink of an eye, this track is called
Don't cry, don't scream,
Ugh.
it's just a dream. Don't scream, don't cry, it's just one night. Don't cry, don't scream, it's just a bad dream.
Wow.
Don't scream,
Oh my god.
don't cry, it's just one night. Don't cry, don't scream, it's just a bad dream.
Okay, I have to pause it real quick. Then oh, Jesus, 8 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm gonna pause it once and then might just let it go because I feel like you just have to experience it in one full sweep. But yeah, wow, the fucking theatrical as hell. Very windmill scene, of course. Like, well, also Black Midi came up in the windmill scene. Geordie Greep played there a lot. Now with his solo stuff as well. Black Country New Road. I find it very that sound. It's very the windmill scene is like their own. What's the word for it? It's like a very specific sound. Very. This sounds like very baroque, very like Forever How Long to me. Very complex, constantly changing like time signatures. Going through all kinds of sections of these songs, not following one song structure. Just doing whatever they want and being very creative with it. I like that a lot. It speaks to me. But it is music that needs a couple listens to like fully land, I think. I feel like this album is gonna need a couple listens. Heart of Darkness, 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Yeah, it's such a good guitar player as well, man. Jesus. Such talented artists, and all quite young still, you know. Black Country is New Road is young. I don't know how old Cameron is, but I think he's quite young as well. Geordie is young. Okay, well, I'm actually gonna try to listen to the lyrics a bit.
In the whisper trees, through hollow reeds, don't ever look at the hollow trees. Don't believe what you read in the folder sheets. Don't ever lift your head from your hollow dreams. You can never wake up. You can scream all you want. You can leave if you please. Just don't look.
Oh my God. Wow. This sounds very new sounding.
It's such a long way to go through fields of hope. Forget the whisper trees, you'll miss the hissing rope. Soon I'll get to your home in the sterile zone. Remember smoke trees, reeds, leave out those ceaseless reeds, please. But in a minute, I'll be gone. In a minute, I'll be long gone. So I can look up. Oh no.
I like that bounce that is in there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, there's so much going on, dude. So cinematic in a way as well. Like theatrical would be the right word for it. I feel like I'm listening to a story unfold. It's talking about seeing through the hollow trees or something. It's a bit too complex to like fully grasp what it means.
Open up, I have come too far to run. My, what have you done? For a time I opened my head. You just saw the land. In an empty paddock, your stock feed rots. The echoes of the black dog haunt you. You refuse to understand. I'll never show mine.
Uh-oh. Jesus. Like you have no time to like get used to what's going on before we enter something else. I feel like now we're in some kind of bar or something. Oof, those chords.
I become the stubborn one who's only come to be your mother. I don't wanna talk it over. Not
Ugh. What is that sound? Oh, this is pretty horror. Oh my god. It's quite special when an artist is like able to convey like a story or take you through different realms of like worlds by just using sound, It's pretty cool. I wonder if this is gonna build up to something. So experimental as well. Of course, Black Midi was quite experimental in some of their songs. Like very searching for the boundaries of what does or may not sound good, or what is possible within music, or what you can categorize as music or not. This will be great live. I like that melody, that is like the base of it. Heart of Darkness. This sounds like the Heart of Darkness, not gonna lie. There's another 8-minute song in there. Alright, we're just gonna keep it going. Very weird, peculiar, haunting, instrumental. Yeah, I've listened to this. This is beautiful. This is so gorgeous. Piano playing is amazing. I like the melody that he sings right here.
You are the love of my life.
Beautiful.
Nothing compares to a lonely minute with you. Pull me close in the night. 2 knots you tie to keep me on your side. I'm in the back of your mind. Always beside you when you feel left behind. You want potatoes or rice tonight? Pick up some onions, I'm making dinner.
Beautiful. That's very soft-spoken tone of voice is elegant and soft and beautiful.
Soaking beans on the side, chopped in tomatoes. While you wash the rice, you sing along to your favorite songs, but you don't know the words, so you make up your own. I'm feeling sexy tonight. I got my Kiko's on, and my hair is somewhere in my smile. I'll never find no other lover. a spike from the sky, precise and poisoned, somehow avoided me. I'll pull you close in the night, but you're not there. Time make the knots that you tie. Now you're a river in me, you're in my bones. I wanna swim to the sea under the phosphorus light. I cannot find you, you are the love of my life.
Such a good song. Great single as well. Beautiful. Wow. Yeah, man. Love story. The strings arrangements for this thing are great as well. So beautiful. Why is this not going? It's the outro, just a very long outro. Interesting. Pearls. I like the cover as well. What's on there even?
The deal goes south, leave it with me. I'll take them to the cabinet, just like I told you. Honest work for an honest reward. That's all we're asking for. 1 million. That's all I'm asking for. 1 million years. Imagine deep between the seams. We'll pick up your dreams, and you'd get a cut of everything. We need it. We need it. We'll bring you pause if you forget about the swine. We'll give you time if you can turn a blind eye. Enjoy your wine.
Fuck. Just blow me away with like how complex this sounds and all these different instruments coming together. How it still works. I wonder what kind of genre you would define this as. It's not gonna say. Are they coming to? No. Are they touring somewhere near me? America. Madrid, Brighton, Barcelona, Torino. No. Paris, Manchester. Shit. No. No Netherlands. Fortunately. That sucks.
Bad, you don't know what bad is.
Opposite teacher.
To banish you have to follow through. I never really needed to. Will I follow in your footsteps? Inherit.
It almost sounds like a musical. That's a compliment.
Life, you barely times when you're hollow where your pride is, and others where it swallows you. I dream of running from a picture of me in the twilight. I ask time, time knows not the answer. It follows and crashes.
With the bass, the bass. King.
On the bridge, on the bridge, I was your friend. In the deep end held my breath. Counted every second left. Till I threw the coin that hit your
Fuck.
Death is the beginning of feeling, of living. I've been following your footsteps, erasing your regrets, but I'll never know what that is. I'm feeling, I manage. I've been running to a picture of you as an odd man.
Sometimes I think to myself, like, how do people come up with this shit, man? How do you make music? I've made music, but it's yeah. I don't know how people come up with like this. Actress, another 8-minute banger. You know what I'm saying? How do people like? I'm not a musician. I wouldn't call myself a musician. I'm not. I have made music though, but how do people come up with this shit? Like, what would the process be to record this type of shit? Is he like making arrangements for this? Or is he like with his band, with the band together and then like jamming or stuff? I know Black Country New Road made a lot of their early music in more like a jam way, but I think Geordie Greep like did most of the arrangements himself, I think. So cool, such different ways of recording. I know Maruja. Maruja is like a bit of like windmill scene. They're not from London. Is windmill in London? It's in Brixton, right? I don't know the UK that good. But I know they played in the windmill. They might be considered windmill a bit. But I know Maruja plays a lot of jam sessions too, and then they pick out moments that they like and build songs around that.
I envy you. You never tell the truth on sunken days.
Is he talking to an actress?
You would hold my hand and say, I don't believe your story, but I might believe another round.
Pretty.
I envy you. You sleep the whole day through. The morning waits. The whole world wakes with you. I don't believe you're sorry. This time I'll need 400 just helpless. You can only fan the flames.
I'm getting like very Geordie Greep vibes of this. I can totally understand how they found each other in Black Midi. It's funny that some things are so similar in their solo music as well.
You've been holding in the fire, I've been putting out the flames. I know you will, 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 I know you will. I feel for you
Boom, boom.
and the things you have to do
Boom, boom.
on days of flame. When you'd hold my hand and say, I dream with you. When we talk the whole night through those sunken days. When you'd hold my hand and say, I've got to be the world's #1. No shooting star will steal my flame. I'll burn so bright my name will run city lights. They'll put up billboards so tall I can never fly. I'll keep you in the back of my mind. Sometimes
Oh.
you're breathing oxygen, but it doesn't make it to your brain. You're useless face, just helpless. You can only fan the flames. Your theory chokes you. Those songs aren't what they used to be. See the smoke from the street, I can hardly believe. You're breathing fire, but you know you never really had to try. How can you tell the truth when all you ever do is lie? But just be chasing you like hell, but girl, you're flying way too fast. Speak of the dragon, and the dragon shall appear in love. You're breathing fire, but you know, you know, you know. You got a wish deep in your pocket. Your scuff's just like an itch. And I believe, I believe, I believe in you. Speak of the dragon, and the dragon shall appear in love.
So experimental in a way.
So
It's
go
like
on, get up,
experimental
become a famous
jazz,
actress, 'cause that's what got you.
indie fucking rock. I don't know. We're not done.
This
Oh. Oh, that's fun. Dun-dun, dun-dun. Now we can see it up close. I fucking like that cover. The cover is very cool. Like a guy on a hill, 2 mountains. I really like that artwork. That's cool. It's nice and colorful. I like that. Du-du-dum, da-dum, du-du-dum, da-dum. Going into the last song, I guess. Yes, we're about to. One night.
I was never sick, you were never right. It was just a cold and awful night. Whispering the window, swinging on the door. You are not the man I took you for. I was never honest, you could never lie. You hollow at my dreams.
Strange mixing. It's like so much lower.
And my eardrums chewing off my jaw.
Feels like it's like right on the microphone.
I took you for. Hit me with a lick, baby, have you got a light? I never had you down as the smoking type. Feel it in my lungs, hold on, baby, you've got me stung. I was only looking for some fun. Splattered on the windows, fresh paint on the walls. Writing down my number as the man to call.
Cello or contrabass that is on there.
I was only hoping for one night.
Wow.
I was never on it, but you would hold me tight. You're borrowing my dreams, my life, your light. Dancing on my eardrums, lift me off the floor. You are not the man I took you for. Slipping into darkness, kisses spark the light. I always thought I'd be the hiding type. Lips undress my mouth, jacket hung up on the door. You are not the man I took you for.
Was that it? That was it. Last track was a short one. Okay, well, that was my new band Believe, and that was interesting to say the least. It was kind of what I expected, of course. Like I said, I'm quite a big fan of the of like that windmill scene, and I was a fan of Black Midi, and I am a fan of Geordie Greep, Black Country New Road, and stuff. Like everything coming from over there, I like very much. So I was expecting this type of music. I was also expecting to be like fully immersed into the sounds rather than the lyrics at first. Um, and I think it's gonna need a couple more listens to like fully land on me. This music always needs some time, but after a while it sticks and it's stuck. That I think that's gonna happen with this project as well. It's interesting to see these members of Black Midi going their own way and making their own music. Um, I knew everybody was quite upset when they broke up, but we're getting so much music for it back, which is very cool, and a great win to a loss, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so I like it. I'm gonna listen to it more. I appreciate his artistry and his experimental music, and the virtuosity that it has. That's cool. All right, let me know what you thought of the album down below in the comments. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new. Check out all my things in the description, like my Instagram and stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.